Alright, let's talk about effects. Effects are a great way to add spice to your mixes, and they're also great for smoothing out your transitions. But before we get into that, let's take a look at what the effects have to offer on the DDJ-400. First of all, there's the effect on-off switch, which is this blue button right here. When it's off, it'll be a solid blue. When it's on, it'll flash. Next up, we've got the level depth selector knob. This knob, all the way to the left, means that there's no effect being applied to the music. When it's at 12 o'clock, it means we hear all the music and all the effect. When it's turned to maximum, we no longer hear the music, but we still hear all the effect. Up here, we've got the channel select switch at 1, 2, and master. It basically lets you choose which channel the effect is being applied to. And here we've got the beat fraction select. This lets you speed up or slow down how fast the effect is being applied to the music. And finally, the FX selector switch. Toggling this will let you choose between the effects that Rekordbox DJ has to offer. We're going to use that to select reverb in this case. So reverb is an effect that sounds very similar to echo. It basically makes it sound like the song is being played in a really big room. Let me demonstrate that for you. A cool thing about reverb is that it's a post-fader effect. It means even after you've dropped the fader, you can still hear the effect being applied, and it gives that nice little reverb tail. Now we're going to use this in a mix. What we're going to do is we're going to play both tracks, and then we're going to apply the reverb effect onto the track that we're mixing out of, and then cutting it so we get that nice smooth transition. Alright, now that both tracks are playing, I'm going to turn on the effect and slowly bring the depth knob to 12 o'clock. And then before the drop happens, I'm going to cut out the first track. Perfect. As you just heard, reverb made that transition sound like it was one single piece of music. There are plenty more effects that you can use to make your mixer sound better. Go try them out for yourself. And if you want to find out more about the gear you've seen today, check out pioneerdj.com. If you want to find out more about DJing and music production, check out pointblankmusicschool.com.